Hey guys, I thought I'd make a quick video on how to remove your rear door panels. And just in case you're wondering, the biggest TV you can fit in the bag will be 55 inches, but you have to remove the door panel and roll down the back windows. And with that out of the way, let's get started. And we'll start with removing this cover that's blocking a 10mm bolt. Then there's going to be a little trim piece that's covering a Phillips screw. For the window switch, we'll just pull up on the bezel. And now we can remove the panel itself. We'll just reach down on the bottom left here and just pull on the panel and it'll separate the panel from the door. And then lastly, there's two cables attached to the door handle. And for the installation, just everything in reverse. Just a heads up, when working on a hot day, the black adhesive here for the inner plastic lining can get really sticky. Line up the tabs on the back side of the panel onto the door and just push and it'll just go right in. When installing the cover back on, you want the hook to go into the insert of the door handle. Here's the door panel, looking normal as ever. This is how you remove and install your rear door panels on an EX35. Thanks for watching.